Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can half swipe on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So the half swipe on Snapchat is a new feature provided by Snapchat on its latest update. So if you guys can't swipe half on your Snapchat, then be sure to update your Snapchat to the latest version, because this is a new feature added by Snapchat. So you need to update your Snapchat. If you guys can't do this, then update your Snapchat, it will fix it. So it's pretty simple to half swipe on Snapchat. Watch this video until the end so you guys can also know how you guys can half swipe. So let's start it. So to half swipe on Snapchat, it's pretty simple. It's like this. As you guys can see, I'm going from swipe to like different thing over here on the bottom. So if I swipe one time, I go to camera. If I swipe left again, I go to this place over here on my chat. So if I swipe again, I go to map. So basically like that. So if you're on the map, then swiping from the middle is not going to work. You need to swipe it from like the corner of your screen like this. Then only it's going to go over here. So that's basically it. If you want to read a chat, like by swiping, you can hold on the person's photo and swipe like this. Now I'm in his chat. So if I swipe over here again, I go outside. So if I hold on Richie's name and swipe, I go to his chat. So I can also read the chat quickly like this. And if I read it, swipe it again. So that's basically how a swipe works. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And be sure to comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out. Have a nice day, everybody.